Welcome to your ultimate guide for crafting the perfect hotel experience in 2025. Let's dive right in. When choosing a hotel, location is key. Consider proximity to attractions, transport links, and safety. Ratings and reviews can guide your choice. Look for properties that consistently receive positive feedback. To score the best deals, compare prices, sign up for alerts, and consider packages that include meals or amenities. Make sure to check for essential amenities like free Wi-Fi, breakfast, and gym access, tailored to your needs. Don't hesitate to request room preferences at check-in, like floor level or extra pillows, to enhance your stay. To ensure a smooth check-in, have your documents ready, and don't be shy to ask questions. Take advantage of your hotel's concierge services for local recommendations and hidden gems. After your stay, leave reviews to help future guests and provide feedback to improve services. With these tips and tricks, you're all set to create the perfect hotel experience. Safe travels.